There was a random mixture of shells. Got plenty of shells left, but they're all dumped out of the box, so I don't have time for sorting. And who really has time for sorting when it comes to getting loaded up, right? Firearm ought to eat whatever you put in it. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to see if this bad boy wants to eat whatever I put in it. Here we go. That's right. It eats whatever I put in it. Doesn't care. Indiscriminate. The way a defensive weapon ought to be. Put in whatever you want. Put in whatever you got. Hit the trigger. Fucker goes bang. Every fucking time. That's what you should expect from a defensive weapon. You want to use some gold bullets? Whatever. You want to use gold bullets, dude? I don't give a shit. You run around in circles trying to find anything and everything. People shooting at you. You dropping shit everywhere. Need it to go bang. Every fucking time. You shouldn't have to beg it to work for you. This thing's fucking badass, dude. Black Ace is fucking tactical. Hell yeah. Boom.